Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. Today we are finally back for good on the insert previews. These have been in retirement for a little bit, but they are back. I have been reevaluating some stuff here on the channel, and insert previews, they may not get the most views, but I really do think that for my own sake and for you all, it is beneficial to continue the insert previews on this channel. I just think it is. To be able to sit down, talk to the insert, see what we're getting, and kind of be able to see what kind of deals are coming up next week. Because for the last couple weeks, I've been forgetting to even look at the insert preview. And then when Sunday rolls around, I'm like, oh, what are we getting? So I'm going to bring this back because a lot of you have said you like these. So we are going to come back to this. Thank you to Clip to Save. They are always the ones who post this, and I so appreciate it that they post this. So this week we're only getting a Retail Me Not insert, which is kind of a bummer, but whatever. We're getting a Retail Me Not. Lots of coupons, 45 to be exact. That's pretty good, I guess. But no other inserts, so yeah, I don't know how many papers I'll do this week. All right, so let's just dive right in. $3 off Tide Pods. I thought we just got this in the P&G. Like, why are they giving us another one? Okay, there you go. $1 on Tide Simply and some various bounce stuff. $5 on 2 Shea Moisture products. Check this out. Minimum spend. I have never seen a coupon with a minimum on it. That is really, really weird. So you have to spend $15 in order to get 5 off. Who wants to do that? $1 on Shea Moisture bar soap. $2 on Dreft Newborn or Dreft Active Baby. $2 on Tide detergent or Studio by Tide or Tide antibacterial spray. $1 on 2 Herbal Essence Bio Renew. That's stupid. Okay, this is pretty good. $2 on 82 Herbal Essence styling products. I really want to get stylers back stocked up in my stockpile again because I'm kind of low. So I'm definitely going to get these and put them to use with that coupon for sure. $3.82 Pantene. Okay. We have the masks for 99 cents. So with the 3 off 2 coupon, you'd have 50 cents overage on each. That's awesome. $1.50 on 2 Tums. $1.50 on 1 Tums Chewy Bites or the Tums Sugar Free. $1.50 on Sensodyne Pronamel Intensive Enamel Repair or Strong and Bright product. $1.50 on Parodontax. $1.50 on Sensodyne Rapid Relief or Deep Clean product. $1.50 on a Biotine product. $1.75 on any 2 Gaviscon products. $1 on any 1 Gaviscon product. So why would you buy 2? That's really crazy. Why would you buy 2 when it's literally better to buy 1? But whatever. $3 on Benefiber Healthy Balance product. $2 on any Benefiber product. $10 on Amberen, I don't know. $2 on Magnalife Foot Cream. $2 on Persil. I hope this one sticks. I hope our Ibotta is still there on Sunday. Because if it's still there, there's a $2 Ibotta rebate. There is a $1 or a 60-cent Shopkicks. It'd be like pretty much free or like 50 cents after all those rebates. So if it sticks around, we'll have a really good deal on Persil. Oh, $3 on Centrum. I want to say, who has this rebate up right now? I believe Ibotta. Ibotta has $3 back on this. 50 count and larger. Okay, that's what the coupon's for. And Shopkick had a rebate too. And Savings Star usually puts stuff up. So that could be a really good one on Sunday if those rebates come out. And we need multivitamins, so I would love that. Centrum, so it works on the caplets too. $2 on Soothe Dial body wash or bar soap. Buy 1 Dial body wash, get a bar soap. Oh, BOGO. So buy 1 body wash, get 1 free. That's cool. That's nice. $1 on 2 of the Dial foaming hand wash, the 3 bar soaps, Dial Complete, 2-in-1 bar soap, or liquid hand soap. Refills. I have seen so many people go and use this on the dials that are $1. That's not allowed. That's not what is meant for this coupon. So read it before you use it. $1 on any 1 right guard product. Okay. That could be good because the Sport is $1.97. I don't know. Is that Ibotta still there? Let's look. It is not anymore. The one for the twin packs is the only one that's still there. That's a bummer, but we might still get a saving star. You never know. Garnier won't get those on Sunday in my paper, but you might. Whole blends. I don't think any of that's on mega sale this time. Maybelline. People have been finding that on clearance. $1.50 on Renews It oils. Buy 4, get 2 free Renews It adjustables. $1.50 on Dove Men Plus Care. $2 on Dove Men Plus Care foaming body wash. $4 on 2 Love Beauty and Planet products. Buy 1 get 1 free Love Beauty and Planet. $3 on Lamasil, Fiber Choice, FD Guard, IBD Guard, or just IB Guard. Okay, that is it for the Retail Me Nots. That kind of a sad week for inserts, but that is okay. We have slow weeks like this every once in a while, and I guess it just gives us a chance to slow down. So, yeah, there are some good ones in here, I really think. So let me know in the comments if you've been missing this. Are you happy to see it back, or do you truly not care about this insert preview? So, yeah, let me know that in the comments. And, yeah, thank you all so much for watching.